In this video, we will discuss about Hamiltonian cycle. Let G is equal to V, E be a connected graph with n vertices. A Hamiltonian cycle is a round trip path along n edges of graph that visits every vertex once and returns to its starting position. So, if the Hamiltonian cycle begins at some vertex, that is V1 belongs to graph, and the vertices of graph are visited in the order V1, V2 up to Vn plus 1, then the edges Vi, Vi plus 1 are in edges where the value of I is 1 is less than equal to I is less than equal to n. It is in between this 1 to n, and the Vi are distinct, different, except for V1 and Vn plus 1, which are equal. After completing visiting every vertex, then it will return to its starting position, and therefore this V1 and Vn plus 1 are equal. So, we will see the application. There are number of applications or the examples of the Hamiltonian cycle. We will see one of them, that the Hamiltonian cycle is used to plan the best route to pick up the students from across the district or the village. So here the students are considered as nodes, and paths between them are the edges. So bus wishes to travel a route that will pass each student's house exactly once. So that is our Hamiltonian cycle. Now when we have to find out the Hamiltonian cycle, the backtracking algorithm helps us to find Hamiltonian cycle for any type of graph. Now we will see one of the example of undirected graph. This is an undirected graph, and we have to find out that whether this graph contains an Hamiltonian cycle or not. Now when we have to find out the Hamiltonian cycle, initially all the vectors, all the solution array is initialized to 0, but only our starting vertex. Now here we consider that our starting vertex is 1. So that starting vertex is 1 is equal to 1. So now we have to find out the second vertex which we have to visit in this cycle. So whenever we will visit in this cycle, the vertex should check the two conditions, and if these two conditions are satisfied, then the next vertex, that is the current vertex, is included in the cycle, else the next vertex is tried. So here our first vertex is 1 and the next vertex is 2. So our condition is there should be a path from the previous visited vertex to the current vertex, and the current vertex must be distinct and should not have been visited earlier. If we say these two conditions for vertex 2, now the previous visited vertex is vertex 1 and current vertex is vertex 2. So there is a path because there is an edge exists, and the current vertex is vertex 2. It is different because it is not visited earlier. So that vertex is included in the path. So in this graph, we will first visit vertex 1, then we visit vertex 2 because it is not visited earlier, and there is an edge exists in between them. Then from visit vertex 2, we visit vertex 8, and then vertex 7, then vertex 6, 5, 4, 3, and from 3 all the vertices are visited only once. Now here we have to return to its starting vertex, and starting vertex is 1, so there is an edge from 3 to 1. So in this way we have visited the next vertex. So here we can see that this is our Hamiltonian cycle, that is 1 to 2, 2 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, then 5, 4, 3, and from 3 to 1. So this is our Hamiltonian cycle. Or we can have another Hamiltonian cycle, as first we will visit vertex 1, then we visit vertex 3, then vertex 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 and 1. Now in this way this will be our second Hamiltonian cycle, in which we visited all the vertices and return to its starting vertex. Now here this is a graph which shows two Hamiltonian cycles where we visit all the vertices and return to its starting position. So there are some graph which doesn't have the Hamiltonian cycle, and for that we will see one of the example. This is graph 2 and it doesn't have the Hamiltonian cycle. Now why it doesn't have the Hamiltonian cycle? Because when we visits the vertices, all the vertices, it should return to its starting vertex. But here that is not possible here, because if we start from vertex 1, we visit vertex 5, then we visit vertex 2. Then the two vertices are remaining. Then from vertex 2 we visit vertex 4, then 3, and then here only one edge is present to return to the 2. Here no edge is there from 3 to 1 directly, so that's why here it is not possible. The Hamiltonian cycle is not possible here. Now if we start at vertex 2, then 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, but the two vertices are not visited here, so that's why Hamiltonian cycle is not possible for graph G2. Now we will see one more example of Hamiltonian cycle, that find the Hamiltonian cycle using backtracking for the given cost materials. So here the cost materials is given in the matrix form. So from that we can see that there are total 4 vertices are present, and this shows the graph is a directed graph, and we have to draw this graph in that way that no edges should overlap each other. Now this is a directed graph, so whatever is shown in the matrix that we have to represent here, that is the path edge from vertex 1 to 2, its cost is 10, 1 to 3 its cost is 15, and 1 to 4th vertex its cost is 20. So here the cost from vertex 1 to vertex 2 its cost is 10. The cost of vertex 1 to vertex 3 its cost is 15, and from vertex 1 to vertex 4 that edge cost is 20. Now in this way we have to draw all the edges which are given here. Now in this graph we have added the edges, that 2 to 1 its cost is 5, 2 to 3 its cost is 9, and 2 to 4 its cost is 10. Now we have to add the edges of vertex 3. Here the edges from 3 to 1 its edge is 6, its cost is 6, 3 to 2 edge is there, that is 13, and 3 to 4 the edge cost is 12. So all these 3 edges are added. Now we have to add these edges from 4 to 1 8, 4 to second vertex, its cost is 8. Fourth vertex to third vertex, its cost is 9. So we have to add these 3 edges in this graph. Finally, this will be our graph where all the edges are separate. These are not overlap each other. And now we have to find out the Hamiltonian cycles from this graph. Now we start from vertex 1. If we visit vertex 1, then the next vertex we consider that we visit vertex 2 by using this edge 10. Then after 2, we visit vertex 3 by using this edge by using edge 9. Then from 3 to 4, we use edge 12. Now we have visited 4 vertices, that is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Now we have visited all the vertices. Now we have to return to its starting position. So that's why we will use this edge, that is 4 to 1. Its cost is 8. Now in this way, this is our one Hamiltonian cycle. Now in this way, there are number of Hamiltonian cycles are present in this graph. We will see the second Hamiltonian cycle. The vertex 1, we start from vertex 1. Then vertex 1 to 2 is visited by using the edge 10. Then from 2, it will visit vertex 4 by using this edge, that is 10. Then after vertex 4, we visit vertex 3 by using this edge, that is 9. So after 3, so we have visited 1, 2, 4 and then 3. We have visited all the vertices. Now we have to return to our starting position, starting vertex. So therefore we visit by this edge, that is 6, by this edge to our starting vertex. So our Hamiltonian path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 3 and 3 to 1. So this is our second Hamiltonian cycle. Now we will see another starting vertex, that we consider that now 2 is our starting vertex. Now we visit from 2 to 3 by using edge 9. Then after this, we visit vertex 4. We visit vertex 4 by using this vertex. By using this edge, that is 12. After 4, we visit vertex 1 by using edge 8. And after that, we visit vertex 2. Now in this way, we have completed this path. Now in this way, we have total 24 Hamiltonian cycles. These are total 24 Hamiltonian cycles that we can see here. From that, we will see again one more. The Hamiltonian cycle 3, 4, 2, 1, 3. Now let's see here. We start from vertex 3, 3 to 4. We visit by using this edge, that is 12. So 3 to 4, we visit vertex 4 by using edge 12. After this 4, we visit vertex 2 by using the edge, this 8. Then from 2, we visit vertex 1 by using edge 5. Now we have visited all the vertices. We have to return our starting vertex. So that's why from 1, we visit to the vertex 3 by using the edge 15. Now in this way, we can calculate all these 24 Hamiltonian cycles.